south central Indiana, northwestern Crawford County in south central Indiana, northwestern Perry County in south central Indiana, Orange County in south central Indiana, until 4:15 p.m. or 3:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m. or 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles east of Jasper, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Powley, English, Huntingburg, Ferdinand, Staffers Creek, Marengo, Birdvine, Ranger, Brettskill, and West Fork. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. or 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois and Perry. The National